Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from drewlarder.com. And the important part is I'm a Forest certified travel advisor, and I wanted to talk to people who have not cruised before. So if you've never gone before, how about the idea, instead of doing a transatlantic voyage or something long and drawn out like that, Margaritaville has inexpensive, really inexpensive cruises. A lot of fun. You know that just by hearing the Margaritaville name. And they do 2-night cruises, 3-night, 4-night, 7-night, depending on where you want to go. But you can try a cruise out for 2 nights and go, hey, it was rocky. There were lots of people. I hated the lineup getting in and the lineup getting off, but I had an amazing time. I'd like to do it for longer and go visit some other islands. You're gonna get the whole idea of the experience. And the really cool thing, they talk about it being a floating hotel that goes to different locations. The extra kicker is, Margaritaville is all about singing. It's all about dancing. I'm going to say it's all about drinking. I brought up this page because they have some of the things. I'm just going to quickly show you this. The other page has a family, and they really do focus on the family stuff as well. It's not all big drunken debauchery, because you're getting on a cruise ship and you're going to different places. You're having fun, and you're being, I'm going to call it an adult, even though I'm saying that. So let's just look inside here, just quickly to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm on Margaritaville at Sea. You can see the Christmas things coming to an end. They go, hey, come, stay with us, have cheers. I'm not really going to talk about that. I'm going to scroll down a bit further and go, it keeps on going. Look at this, 2-night Grand Bahama getaway, 4-night Key West and Grand Bahama, 4-night Cozumel Express. Do you think you could give it a tryout for 2 nights, 4 nights? Yeah. And best cruise we've ever been on. Somewhere here they talk about, I got to go back to my email that I received. I won't show it to you, but I'll just quickly read it. What was I looking for? There was a thing that said, oh, so I'm scrolling through and you're looking at something different. Sorry. There we go. Riding a wave of big wins. Margaritaville at Sea soaked up another banner year with 5 new awards, including the #1 Cruise Critic Cruiser's Choice Cruise Line win for the 2nd year in a row. They're doing a great job. And the thing that's going to give you extra excitement is they have a 3rd boat, and it's the biggest one of them all. So now they're able to do longer cruises. If people want to do 7-day kind of ones, they've got a bunch of those. And they're using the smaller boats to do quick couple of days, 4 days, 3 days. There's lots of different choices. And here's the part I haven't mentioned. We're already 3 minutes into the video. I haven't mentioned they're ridiculously cheap. People talk about, hey, I found a real good deal. It was $100 a night. That is available day in, day out. And sometimes you get into the $60 to $80 blowout kind of stuff. So when they're leaving shortly, there's some amazing deals. Contact me. You come to drewlarder.com. You'll see Book with Andrew, Sail with Andrew. I probably doesn't say Sail with Andrew. That's more about hotels and things like that and resorts. Click the link. Come to my Fora page that's there, and just send me. You'll get the link. The email thing is there. Send me a 1-line email that says, I want to go with Margaritaville in January and away we go. We'll get the conversation started. Send me an email. Click to drewlarder.com. When you go there, you will be able to find the link that says Book with Andrew or things like that. You'll see the Andrew Larder Fora Travel Advisor. Click that. Brings you to the big Fora page. And you'll find the big email form halfway down that page. Send me an email. Love to put you on one of these cruises. I just think it's so much fun. That's really, I just love doing that for people, blowing them away. And then you'll be like, hey, call that guy again. So it's a perfect introduction. 2 days, try it out, fly down, go for a couple of days cruise, fly back, stay a couple of days on either side, whatever works for you. You're going to be in the sun. You're going to be having fun. I guarantee it. And Margaritaville is built on having fun. So if you want to have fun, try it out for a short time. This is a cruise line for you. Yes, there are more luxurious ones. Yes, you can hunt through them all and look for destinations. But I think first off, you want to go, hey, how am I when I'm out on the open sea? How is it being on a cruise ship? And if you haven't done it, then you're kind of a little bit wondering. Here's your 2-day, 3-day, 4-day opportunity to check this out. Send me an email. Talk to you soon. I'm Andrew Larder from drewlarder.com. DREWLARDER.com. It's listed on the thing there. Send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Enjoy.